welcome to the Poetic Physio. Our topic for today is shortwave diathermy. So let us begin with a basic understanding. How does it work? So SWD works by generating high frequency electromagnetic waves that penetrates the tissues and produce deep heating through molecular oscillations. It operates on radio frequency waves typically at 27.12 megahertz and 11 meter of wavelength to create therapeutic effects. The basic principles of producing a high frequency current is by discharging a condenser, that is a capacitor, through an inductance of low ohmic resistance. We will understand this through a diagram. Then this conductor and inductor are in inverse relationship with the current produced. So the machine has a machine circuit and a patient circuit. So up till this part, this is your machine circuit, and around this is your patient circuit. Okay, starting with, it has a step down transformer and a step up transformer. The step down transformer converts the 220 volt of energy input to 20 volt, and the step up transformer advances it up to 4000 volts. That's good, right? Both of this are connected to the triode valve through the cathode end. So the triode consists of a cathode, a grid leak system, a grid system, and this is your grid leak, and an anode plate. So the electrons from the cathode end passes up till the anode plate, and the current enters in the oscillator circuit as such. I guess it's clear up till now. And this oscillator circuit, the current passes from C to D. This induces an EMF in the AB circuit. So the current passes from A to B, CD को देख के, and the electrons in this coil passes in the opposite direction, that is from B to A, and it enters the grid. The electrons present in the grid repels the electrons coming from the cathode. This will lead to cessation of electric charge in the oscillator circuit. But still the oscillator circuit will function as it was before due to self-induced EMF by Lenz's law. That is, any circuit tries to avoid any change in magnetic flux happening in it. This will lead to accumulation of electrons in the Y plate, that is on the capacitor plate. So Y plate will be negative here. After some time, the capacitors will discharge themselves. That is, the current will start to flow in the opposite direction as it was coming before. This will lead to change in direction of the EMF in the grid leak too. So the current will move from B to A and the electrons will move from A to B. That will lead to turning of the negative grid into neutral once again. So as the grid turns neutral, the electrons from the cathode end starts moving up till the anode plate again, leading to the continuous flow of charge from C to D. So this is how the machine circuit works. And the patient circuit has got this coil over here, chota sa coil. So the patient circuit needs to be in resonance with the machine circuit for proper efficiency. It starts with tuning. So what does tuning do? So tuning refers to adjusting the machine settings to ensure maximum energy transfer to the patient while minimizing the energy loss. So proper tuning ensures effective heating of the tissues and prevents any discomfort or burns as such. So the main purpose is to match the frequency of the SWD circuit to the patient's body impedance, okay, and to achieve optimal resonance for efficient energy transfer. It also avoids any reflected energy which can cause overheating of the machine or may damage the machine components. This is done by adjusting the tuning knob present on the machine while absorbing the amperage meter, also known as the tuning indicator. So next we have are the thermal effects. So there is deep tissue heating. The amount of heat produced depends on the tissue conductivity. So muscles, blood and the synovial fluid absorb more energy and heat up faster, whereas fat and bone absorbs less energy and remain cooler. The heat improves your blood circulation, reduces your muscle spasm and enhances tissue healing. Enhanced metabolism means the increase in the temperature leads to increase in the metabolism. These are some non-thermal effects. That is your cellular repair, improved circulation, and pain modulation. This was the very first lecture of this channel. So hope you like this, and please consider subscribing.